Hello everyone, welcome back. We are going to solve another SQL problem on this video. So, rising temperature, there's a question. Write a solution to find all the dates ID with higher temperature compared to its previous dates. So, return the result table in any order. So, if you are in a record date 1 1 and record date 1 2, there is a temperature difference of 15, and between 3 and 4 there is a temperature difference of 10. So the output should be the IDs. So this is actually an easy problem. uh, we are comparing to the if we are comparing with yeah, we just need to compare with the date. So if you have today's date, you need to find tomorrow's date and compare and pick the right record based on that date minus one. So basically for the date one, what we are going to do, we need to find it for reducing one day from the date. That's the requirement here. Okay, let's see how we can do that. So as usual, let me take the schema, and when I am working on that schema, we can on the side I will go to some of the solution, then just a discussion is enough after that. Okay, so I am creating the table. That's done. Then running the rows, that also done. So date diff, that's the one we need to use. Probably we have so many ways this we can do. The first thing that we need to do is select date from one. So this we cannot do, but there is a way we can select date from 12. Yeah, there's a query, so it will print current date. So it's saying like unknown column. So the sys date, I guess that's a query we need. No, that's also sys date. Select sys date MySQL. MySQL select sys date. MySQL, it is very easy, I guess. So this is the date. So if I put -1D, can we do that? Let's see. It's not possible. I put -1, there is some, I guess it's converting into milliseconds, then reducing 1. So we are not going with this approach, but we are using some other approach. So self join, that's the one we are going to do in this problem. So since you need to compare with the same table, you can do only self join. So whenever we are writing anything from any table, the first thing we are going to do is we are writing a select query. Then one by one we will modify. Since I need a self join here, I need to do that things first. And the first thing, if that's happening, so the temperature is one of the column. The temperature should, W1 temperature should be greater than W2 temperature. I just consider my second table as W1. Okay, so in this case, what's going to happen? So I made a self join. So you can see 4, 3, 2, 4, so many other columns. So this doesn't make any sense because it's a random query we are just using. So basically this will not make any sense. So before that we need to run the first one, and let's see what is the difference exactly. So 1 2 3 4 on this one, and if I run this one, 4 3 2 or so many other tables we can see. So that doesn't make any sense, so we need to modify this. So the one thing that we knew is date difference should be w1 or record date, then w2 dot record date, both should be equal to 1. Okay, so this is gonna run. So in this case I got 2 and 4. I need only the ID. So this was, so if you if you look on the I mean the select query, you can see what is the difference between these two. What is the difference exactly between these two rows? So yeah, we can say like it's a 1 day. So that's the one we are putting here, and we use the inbuilt datediff function. So that's the only thing we need to know. So right now we are fine. We got the answer. We can go to the window and execute and make sure everything working fine. Okay, so this accepted, so we are fine. We have done a very good job. So we have completed that problem. We can go to one more problem. because we need to complete all of these things before we are going to the bigger problems. So this one also easy difficulty problem. There is a factory website. There are several machines, each running the same number of process. Write a solution to find the average time each machine take to complete. So process activity type timestamp. Start date, start time is there. So each machine there is so many processes running on, and each has some start and end. And you need to find for each machine you need to find the processing time. So machine zero average time is this much. So you need to, if it is a start one, you need to sum. If it is n one, you need to reduce it from the sum. So that's the thing you need to do. So let's see how we can do. So activity type is so that's also we need to be in mind when we are solving this issue. So let's find some solution online. So this is actually very easy. So this is also like a self join problem, because um, we need to get we are actually okay. What we are going to do is, when we are going to this one, we have similar rows that need to be taken. So in a self join method, this is based on this activity type, we need to make it as a separate one. So in a self join ways we can solve this one. So we will do a machine self machine this is a machine table, right? So we'll do a self join for this machines table, and we will use a group by thereafter. This SQL is a little bit complicated comparing to the previous things that we solve. So I guess we can come to the solution on the next video, because this has some difficulties, and also it will take some time to solve. So we will go to the next video and we will solve them. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.